Last summer, I completely fried my front lawn. I bought a cheap plastic sprinkler from the hardware store, turned it on, and went inside. 2 hours later, a flooded driveway and bone-dry grass. Finding the right lawn sprinkler is surprisingly frustrating because most of them just do not work the way they claim. You waste money, water, and end up with dead patches anyway. Well, I spent the last few months testing dozens of models, so you do not have to. 7. Dramm 9-pattern turret sprinkler. You know, I really wanted to love this one because it looks great and has a heavy metal base. It comes in bright colors and looks like a premium tool. When you first pick it up, it feels substantial and you honestly think it will last forever. The main selling point is right in the name itself. You twist the dial and get 9 different spray patterns. There's a square pattern, a circle, a rectangle, and even a half moon shape. That sounds amazing on paper, especially for weirdly shaped garden beds. I thought this would solve my overspray problems immediately. But let me explain where things go terribly wrong. While testing this out, I realized having 9 patterns is mostly a visual gimmick. The patterns just do not throw water very far at all. If you have anything larger than a small patch of grass, you will have to move this thing constantly. I mean, you end up walking back and forth every 10 minutes just to cover a standard yard. Also, the dial mechanism itself gets incredibly stiff after just a few weeks. Hard water buildup seems to jam the plastic turret directly on top of the metal base. I actually had to grab a dry towel just to get enough grip to change the pattern from square to circle. It is highly frustrating when a simple tool makes you work harder. It's okay for a tiny patch of newly seeded grass, but it utterly fails as a primary lawn sprinkler. 6. Melnor Turbo Oscillating Sprinkler. Oscillating sprinklers are those classic fan-shaped ones everyone had growing up. You hook up the hose and a long bar wags back and forth, shooting water in a giant rectangle. I grabbed this one because it promises huge coverage and features a dirt-resistant drive. The physical controls let you finely adjust the width and length of the water spray. You can dial it in to precisely water a narrow strip of grass between the sidewalk and the street. That part actually works pretty well in practice. When the pressure hits it right, the streams arch beautifully and give the grass a nice, even soaking. The entire unit feels completely cheap and surprisingly hollow. The plastic housing is incredibly thin to the touch. While testing it in my backyard, I accidentally stepped on the far edge of the base and I thought the whole thing was going to completely shatter. You really have to baby this sprinkler. Then there's the frustrating internal motor issue. After about 5 uses, the oscillation simply stopped working. The bar would get stuck on one side and blast a single line of grass until it turned into a muddy swamp. I mean, you can nudge it with your shoe to get it going again, but you should not have to babysit it. The gears simply jam up too easily. So the Melnor is definitely a mixed bag for your lawn. When it oscillates perfectly, it throws a fantastic sheet of water that covers a lot of ground. 5. Orbit Sprinkler. This is a massive step up in terms of raw coverage and watering power. I tested the version that sits on a tall, collapsible metal tripod, and let me tell you, it completely changes how you water. Getting the spray head up off the ground is a game changer for large spaces. When you elevate an impact sprinkler, the water can arc directly over bushes and tall flowers to reach the lawn hidden behind them. You can adjust the metal tripod legs from 16 inches all the way up to 37 inches tall. I found this incredibly useful for a sloping backyard where a ground-level sprinkler would just blast water directly into the dirt. The impact head itself is made of heavy brass and zinc. It makes that classic repetitive clicking sound that just reminds you of summer. That sound actually serves a real purpose because it tells you from a distance that the mechanism is working perfectly. The distance this thing can throw water is honestly wild. It easily reaches the far corners of my property without losing pressure. It is not entirely flawless, though. You know, the tripod legs can be a little wobbly on uneven ground if you're not careful. I had to stomp them into the soft dirt a bit to make sure the whole rig didn't tip over from the sheer force of the water.
Also, the adjustment clips for the rotation angle can be quite stiff to move.
4. Rainbird LOG 3 Low Gallonage Pop-Up Impact Lawn Sprinkler. Now, this one is a bit different from the others on our list because it is specifically designed to be buried directly in the ground. I wanted to include this because not everyone wants to drag a dirty hose around the yard every single day. I dug a small trench to test its permanent potential. The absolute best part about this design is that it sits completely flush with the topsoil when the water is turned off. You can run your heavy lawnmower right over it without giving it a second thought. I cannot tell you how much time and headache that saves. The top lid actively keeps dirt and grass out of the casing so the internal head stays clean. This is a low gallonage model, which sounds like a bad thing, but it is actually a massive advantage for your grass. If your house has terrible low water pressure, this sprinkler will still pop up and perform beautifully. It uses the water highly efficiently, so you can run multiple heads on the same zone without losing distance. My grass soaked up the slow water delivery perfectly. Adjusting the spray pattern is incredibly simple once it is installed. You just gently lift the pop-up head and turn the little metal friction collars to set your precise watering arc. I dialed mine in to hit a half circle near my driveway without wasting a single drop on the pavement. The internal metal spring pulls the head back down with a satisfying thud. 3. Restmo Heavy-Duty Full Metal Pulsating Sprinkler. If you are incredibly tired of cheap plastic gardening tools snapping in half, this is exactly what you need to look at right now. When I unboxed this sprinkler, I was genuinely shocked by the sheer physical weight of it. Everything from the sled base to the pulsating head is solid metal. Most pulsating sprinklers come on cheap plastic spikes that eventually break off in hard, dry summer soil. The Restmo entirely avoids this by using a heavy metal sled base that sits perfectly flat on the grass. You just drag it by the rubber hose to wherever you need it, and it stays completely planted. I tested this with full blast water pressure, and the base did not creep or slide once. The premium build quality translates directly to its daily performance. The heavy brass head rotates smoothly without any of the jerky, weird movements you often see in cheaper models. I actually accidentally dropped this thing onto my hard concrete patio, and it just bounced off. There was not a single dent or scratch on the delicate mechanism. It gives you total confidence it will survive for many years. You get full manual control over the watering area with the standard metal baffles and adjustment pins. I was able to flatten the water stream to easily get under some low-hanging oak tree branches, which was a huge bonus. The distance is fantastic too. It throws a thick, heavy stream of water that aggressively cuts right through the wind. 2. Aiper IrriSense 2 Lawn Sprinkler. This thing completely blew my mind and changed my perspective on watering. We are stepping entirely away from traditional metal gears and mechanical springs and moving into something entirely different. The Aiper is essentially a smart robotic sprinkler that you place in your yard and control directly from your phone. I was highly skeptical at first, but it is a blast. You set it out on the grass and use the mobile app to essentially draw the exact boundaries of your lawn. It perfectly remembers the shape of your yard and actively adjusts its internal nozzle to only spray within those digital borders. I have an awkward kidney-shaped lawn in the back, and this smart sprinkler perfectly trace the edges without watering the fence. It also intelligently adapts to the environment in real time. It pulls local weather data from the internet to figure out if it rained heavily yesterday or if it's going to be incredibly hot tomorrow. Based on that exact information, it automatically adjusts the watering schedule and the physical volume of water it puts out. You know, it actually saves a ton of money on your monthly water bill. The device can effortlessly handle multiple zones as well. You can tell it to give the thirsty hydrangeas a heavy, deep soaking and then immediately switch to a lighter, gentler mist for the newly planted grass nearby. The internal motor is practically completely silent. You do not hear any loud clicking or mechanical whirring, just the soft, pleasant sound of water hitting the topsoil. Eden 16035 Turbo Gear Drive Rotary Sprinkler.
I have tested dozens of sprinklers over the years, and this one simply checks every single box I care about. It seamlessly combines the absolute best aspects of every sprinkler on this list into one completely flawless package. It is quiet, it is highly powerful, and it is incredibly easy to use right out of the box. The real secret sauce here is the internal turbo gear drive mechanism. Unlike impact sprinklers that violently slap the water stream to physically rotate, the Eden gently uses the water pressure to spin a hidden internal turbine. The final result is a completely silent and buttery smooth rotation across your yard. I could easily run this thing at 6 in the morning, and my sleeping neighbors would not hear a single thing. While the Dramm model completely failed with its 9 useless patterns, the Eden absolutely nails it with 5 highly functional ones. You get a flat spray, a fan spray, a large stream, a mini stream, and a multi-stream. I actually found myself using the multi-stream the most because it creates these thick, heavy droplets that do not blow away in the wind. Switching between them is effortless with a satisfying physical click. The base is a wide, perfectly weighted sled design that slides directly over thick, overgrown grass without ever snagging. You can easily adjust the precise watering angle by sliding the simple plastic tabs located on the side. That's all for today, folks.